How many people
But
are
very cool.
Is this XPS? The model XPS.
Let's wait for detail.
No, it's a precision.
Oh,
5570.
I thought you were using XPS.
No.
今天穿在这里。
This is for the
For
evening.
tonight's event.
Yeah, not for this.
联谊 event。
Kind of. Okay, let's wait for Steven.
Ah, Steven.
Yeah, okay. Steven is here. Yeah. Let's get started. I think all of us are here. Okay. So today we are going to talking about the YouTube design, the API here. Okay. So today I have one announcement. Since that I want to get a new level of my English speaking skill, and the Steven tell me about you cannot over prepare, like you don't need to remember all the script that you want to talk. So today I'm trying a new way, like I study for this PDF for 3 times, so I'm trying to remember and get familiar with the content,
Thank you.
so I can speak out more smoothly. So this will help me to increase the English speaking, I think. Okay, so that was not important at all. Okay, so today when we are going to see the YouTube design here, and we must know the concept of the YouTube and how large is the YouTube API here. This is a cloud-based API, so it means that most of the functions are based on the cloud service. And we can see the total number of months active users is 2 billion users, and the video watch per day is for 5 billion. And there is a lot of people using a YouTube channel. So how can we get the system more stabilized and reliable, and the availability is very important because there's a lot of users using. So we are going to make more effort on the connection and also the availability. Okay, so let's go down here. So if the interviewer want to ask you what feature is the most important, is to upload a video and watch a video. So the other part is only a decoration, like comments or some like or dislike. That was additional. But the most important part is to upload a video and watch it. And we must support all the app here, including the mobile app and the web browser and the MacBook or the Linux or smart TV. Okay, so and we assume that every day we have every people watching the YouTube video for 30 minutes. Yeah, that was for average. And we have a lot of international users, so the international connection is very important here. Okay, so the video resolution is also important inside the video encryption and encoding. Okay, so the file we assume that here is about every video is 1 gigabyte here. Okay. Okay, so in this chapter we are focusing on this function here. Okay, so we need to smooth the video streaming. The streaming here is not just only the game streaming or video streaming, it's about the watching video. The event when you click on the YouTube channel and you start watching a video is called a video streaming. So how do we smooth the video streaming is very important. And the ability to change the video quality. Okay, because sometimes you are in the tunnel or you are on MRT station and your connection is not stabilized. But if your connection is get more fast, you should access to more high quality video. Okay, but if your connection is bad or is poor, you will automatically drop down your resolution of your video. That was also a function of the YouTube API here. Okay. Okay, and also the high availability and the reliability is more important. And over here, we consider the availability is more important than the reliability. since that we have to ensure the user can use the YouTube whenever they open the main page of the YouTube channel. And the reliability is calling the API functions here. Since that some of the YouTuber will upload the video after you click on the main page, but the video will not show up at the very beginning. So this is like the function is not ready yet. So the reliability is not fully functional. But the availability still means that if you open up the YouTube channel, you can still get access to the other video. So that was more important than the reliability. Okay. Okay, and then we have some assumption here. Okay. So due to this assumption, I think we have some introduction before. So we can see after we calculate the cost, we can see our CDN cloud database is about to spend 150,000 per day. Yeah, if we want to use the Amazon CDN cloud service. Yeah, so this is very expensive. So we also have a mission here is to close down or reduce the cost of our CDN today. So we are going to find an efficiency way to upload a video or to stream a video.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah.
What is a CDN?
Okay, CDN we are going to introduce here. Okay, CDN is about to stream the video. Yeah, and the other thing is to use the API service, and we will store the data in the block shortage. It's called binary large object shortage here. Okay, so the CDN is designed for streaming video only because the CDN is the Amazon going to design this database to access to the cache's video more efficiently than the other database. So this one is going to use to streaming the video, and okay. As we can see, video, if you are storing the CDN, when you press play, a video is streamed from there. And the other function is doing separately. You don't have to wait until the other function is going to finish, but you can still use the CDN to access to the cache video. Okay.
Yeah. What happen if we don't implement this with CDN?
It will be more slower. You can still use the other database, but you will be more slow since the other database didn't support the cache's data more faster than the CDN. Yeah, I want to introduce data because I write on the whiteboard. Yeah, but you can still use the block shortage or the other database, but it will not be more faster than the CDN. Yeah, that was a good question here. It's like this one is designed the fastest speed to access to the cache's video.
There is a important feature about the CDN. Do you know what it is?
The CDN, the important feature.
Yeah.
I think it's for the how to access the cache's data. It will be more faster. I think I only got this concept.
I think the major advantage of using CDN is because you put the static data categorized by geography, so that will improve the response time. So that's what I know.
Oh, static data. Okay.
So you may probably have many CDNs located in different location. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah. This is another concept about parallel programming. We have to separate the resource to the other service in order to decrease the loading of all the services. Okay. So today we are going to talking about two functions in a bigger picture, and next time we are going to dig into a detail. So the first one is the video uploading. The video uploading here is going to the user is going to upload video to the original shortage here, and the original shortage we are going to store the data into a blob shortage here. And why we use the blob shortage? Blob shortage is its functions like it's very large and you can access the data more quickly. And but this data is without organization. So imagine that you are trying to wear some clothes, and you have a sister, and her name is Alice. And Alice trying to wear the clothes like with organization. She will put her clothes on the bed, and every day with very clean setup. Yeah, but this will take some time for her to organize the clothes. Yeah, but Bob is you. So Bob is going to wear the clothes without the organization. He stole the clothes into his bed. And next time when he's trying to access to the clothes, he just grab it and put it on his body. So this will get more closer if your data is more simple, want to access. Yeah. So in this case, why we are using the blob shortage is because that the content of the video we are stored inside, we're going to have a transcoding process after we take it out. Yeah. So after we take it out, we will transcoding the video to the audio and the other component. So we are going to do that, doing some process afterward. So we don't have to save the data into a complex form. So this is the reason why we are going to use the blob shortage here. Okay, and do you understand here?
I think I have a question here.
Yeah.
So you are saying like blob is not organized so that it easy to use, or?
Oh yeah, it's not organized. I think the blob shortage is very. It can store a lot of data inside, and you can.
But if we store a lot of data there and it is not organized, then it is not easy to retrieve, right? For it, right?
I think it's like after I search for it, it's like you didn't have a really structure inside. You only have a key value. Yeah, you only have the key primary key and also some data. So you don't have a lot of columns like all of them. You just only have two columns. One is for the key and the other is for content. Yeah. So that was the primary design. Yeah. So that was called unstructured database. I see. So after the transcoding, so this is a process. After we upload the data into the original shortage, it will transcode in the service and transcode in the video. And when we transcode something is completed, it will send an event into a completion queue. And the completion queue will tell the user this is complete, so it can send the user another video. Like when we're trying to watch the video here, you can see when we try to refresh a page. Okay, we can see here the video is start running, but the web page is not ready. So this is calling because the video will access the data after they complete some process. This will send the successful message into the completion handler. Yeah, so they will send this part of the video to the user and let the user watch it first. And you don't have to wait until the other part is ready. So you can see this video is still running here. So this is because of the Wi-Fi speed.
Oh, office Wi-Fi speed.
Office Wi-Fi. Yeah. Okay. And after you complete the queue here, and they will store the data and update the metadata and the metadata cache here. So why we need the metadata and the metadata cache here is because we have to access to the metadata because this will save a lot of time. We just have to understand what is the file name here, or what is the video content, or the video, how can I say it? The time zone, how long is the video, or the file name, or what is the category of this video. And yeah, we don't have to access all the video here, we just need to know the metadata. Yeah, so this can optimize the search engine, the algorithm of the, how can I say it? The search video algorithm. Okay, and also, I was thinking about one thing is that, oh, okay, we will talk it later. The CDN here. The CDN is like, we are trying to save a lot of original video here, because this can save a lot of big data. But the CDN cannot save a lot of big data like the original shortage here. So how do we optimize this CDN here? It's very interesting. So the YouTube design is like, they were trying to that the most popular video going to release for most of the audience. So they will just only save the important or the popular video inside the CDN. So it means that the YouTube is designed to make the video more and more popular, and the other code video is like it's not popular video, is going to be closed down due to the algorithm. So this is why the YouTuber is very hard to grow up, since this is a system design, because the CDN wants you to save as less video as they can. So they will just only want to save the most popular video on there. So that was the reason. Yeah. And sometimes we can still see a lot of video that was not popular to store up, is because the API design. They want to let the YouTuber grow up, so they will put some unpopular video on the channel, on the recommendation. Okay. So in these falls, we are going to introduce this kind of part here. Okay, the load balancer. The load balancer is located here. It's on the last part. Its function is going to assemble all the information here. Okay, so after you upload a video, you are going to do a lot of process, and after that you are having a load balancer. It's because most of the time we are using the different device, so we are trying to optimize the video component. So they need the load balancer to increase the reliability on this video. Since that sometimes the Wi-Fi connection is bad, so the load balancer is more like a proxy design pattern we talked about like several months before. So this will copy the file into another service in order to speed up. Sometimes the Wi-Fi is bad or some service stuck, so it will copy the file into another service to speed up the task. Okay, so that was the function of the load balancer. Okay. And the API service is like the other things, recommendation API or the comment or the social introduction. Okay, now the metadata and the metadata caches is important here. Okay, and this is the bulk shortage we talked about before. Okay, and the transcoding service is also important. Yeah. Since we are using the different devices, so the transcoding service will transform the video type into the correct format to your device. This will speed up the experience. Okay. Okay, and CDN and the completion queue and the completion handler. Okay, so these two parts is also important since you don't have to wait until the video is finished here. Okay.
Vitas, I have one question for the last one.
Last one. Okay.
The last diagram. Maybe it's for all of the diagram, but basically,
Mm.
what role does API servers play here? Because I saw in the description it says that users access basically requests through these APIs, except for video streaming.
Mm.
And what do the users request through these APIs? And
Oh, this is combined level. Mm.
yeah, if we're not requesting the video streaming through these APIs, then how does it work when users is trying to basically start a video streaming?
Oh, okay. Maybe sometimes we are not going to watch the video. We are trying to access to the communication or access to some social. We can check our video. Yeah, sometimes we log into YouTube and we don't want to click on the video. We just want to maybe go inside for some profile and looking at what he's doing here. Yeah, so this is what API is doing. Yeah, in my opinion, I think this is showing the introduction of the YouTube channel and some links here and this one. Yeah, this will have some recommendation of the YouTube channel. When we click on the main page, why these videos pop up is because of the API have some recommendation here. So I think this will separate our system into two parts. The first part is about streaming video, and then the other part is about the API. Yeah, so I think it means that when we don't want to watch the video, the other function is designed for the API service. Yeah. Did I answer your question?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
That answered my question. So basically, we got the other contents.
Mm.
Apart from the videos through NK polls, and how does a video streaming start? Like centrally
Oh, the video stream
from
start.
the very beginning. So
The video start when we're trying to click on the video.
Today we're going to be doing an authentication system. As an authentication,
This is called a video streaming start. We don't have to wait until the real streaming event. When we play the video stream is going to start here. Yeah. And yeah, that's it.
okay, that's all. Let's just carry on. Maybe I'll get some idea afterwards.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I will try to understand what's your problem over.
I'm trying to understand what my problem is as well. So that's all. Thank you.
You are the problem.
Oh. Okay. So, we're talking about here. The video are uploaded to the original shortage and the transcoding service flash video from the original shortage. This is a description of what we are talking about here. This is a big picture. Yeah, so we are trying to take the flow of this function. Okay. So the transcoding video are going to get inside the CDN after you transcode all the data inside the original shortage here. Yeah, and
I think it's storage.
yes, storage. Yeah. Okay.
So what is the figure about?
Mm.
What the flow? The
Mm.
flow is doing what?
Oh, this is upload video.
Okay, it's
Um,
uploading a video.
Mm.
Okay, so don't you guys curious about after I uploading a video, then the API server will have an arrow point to me. What does that mean? What does that mean?
Oh, you're talking about arrow
That-
handling?
No. I mean,
Just
you
scroll up.
scroll up, and
Yeah,
no,
down,
no,
down,
no.
a little bit down. Yeah, the
You
load
see there's
balancer.
the number 4 there.
Load balancer.
Why is there an arrow point to me after I uploading a video?
Maybe success response.
Yeah.
Oh,
So is that API trying to tell me something?
Uploaded successfully.
Yeah. Okay.
yeah. I think due to my understanding, this one is going to tell you whether it's success or not, because this is a serial event. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you send the video, upload video, and going through here, and this will send a completion queue here. And if you didn't get a completion queue here, maybe they will retry. They didn't tell, the book didn't tell a lot of detail, but it says that if you complete that, it will send to the load balancer, and the load balancer will decide if the message is success is complete. It will send the video part back to the user, so user can watch it. But if it's not complete, it will send or retry or send to another service to reduce the cost of this service, because maybe they will get into some
The
trouble.
you will check the file extension like file formats.
File extension.
Yeah, file formats. What kind of file formats they support?
Oh, they will decide here. The transcoding service will decide the file formats.
Then the response, how if it is doesn't support there, then how the user will get that detail, because I haven't seen any design that response back to the user if it is not the actual format which they are expecting.
Oh, okay.
It's a more complex design. It's not maybe in this area.
I guess it can be checked by the front end, right?
Okay.
Maybe, I guess.
And since the book only telling the transcoding service will transcode the format to a correct format due to the user's device. Yeah, so
Also, they also check that content is like corrupted, or because some file we can just change the extension and we can drop that same format type. Does it allow, or do they do some? I haven't looked into that how they are. I never upload a video into the YouTube.
Even though the format is correct, but it's actually corrupt.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. Okay. Maybe they didn't talk a lot on the transcoding service.
No problem.
Yeah, but I think it will going back to there must be some formats that you can access to all the devices. I think there must be like MPEG4 or maybe that was just only about the speed up, or if you want to upload the file but it's corrupt, I think the API will just send some error message and say please upload later, because I encountered this situation before. It's like I try to upload a video, and after sometimes because of the internet problem, so it says that you are failed to upload, so please retry again.
That I haven't seen that in that design anywhere direct that error back to the users. That's
Okay.
why because it's the chain, like it's going to the transcoding servers, and it's continuous. It's only so the happy part, there is no the unhappy part there. So that's why I was wondering like how they are identifying and replying to the user.
Okay, I see.
So suppose this is a happy flow, and we run from one all the way to the API server and back to the user. And for this whole process, how many APIs do we call? Do we call only once? Like to at the beginning when users send the upload request to the storage, or is there any additional intermediate API that would be called during the transcoding? Or
I think this one will throw back some. If you got something error, you will throw back to the error part and trying to do it again, and the other part will keep going. Yeah, but if this part when we trying to retry several times and it still fail, and I guess it will just fail the event, the upload event to totally failure. So you need to upload all the process again. Yeah, if you try several times, but
suppose
still.
it's just a workable, I mean, a valid flow, a happy path, you will typically you will only send one request, right? And it will fire out all the consequent service or function.
I guess it depends, because the internal API you could make the design, right? You could just make as many as you want, but the highest level components here, I suppose there are two components. One is the data uploading part, and the other part is the metadata part, because you are doing these two things at the same time, as it is mentioned in the book. You uploading the content, and at the same time you are uploading the metadata. Yeah, so I guess it's two in the beginning. Yeah.
Oh, this part.
Maybe.
Okay, they didn't talk about how to error handling, but in the last part it talks a little bit, but I didn't dig in too much because I will going to talk about it next time. Okay, so let's talk into the error
Let's
part.
go back to the topic, no problem.
Okay, we can
System
still.
for large sound system around
Oh yeah.
Video segment failed to transcode.
Yeah. Retry several times.
Yeah, the idea might be very similar to the bulk download
Yeah.
stuff you do. Yeah, you guys do.
Oh yeah, bug download. Yeah.
And there are many ways to notify the end user. The way we do is pull-in, which is very traditional way. Yeah, I think there are multiple ways. Web push notification or web socket.
Yeah. Mostly they may use website.
By the way, Robert, we are not NGP, so we don't know what you are talking about.
Oh, it's okay. It's our secret.
It's our own recipe.
I forgot. Sorry, my bad.
Okay. Or we can talk about it next time because I know a little bit. Okay, let's go back to our upload topic. Okay, so after we upload, we are going to introduce how to stream the video. Okay, so this will need some board. So I will change my camera here. Wait a second.
What is this for?
Oh, this is my recording. I will record myself. Yeah, in order to get improve next time. Okay, sorry.
There is like.
Oh, thank you. Use this first. And then I'll open my camera.
用不同角度。
Oh yeah. You can fold it and
应该是因为
trade
会
it.
往上，
哦
就是它走很角度，或是会往上。
Can you guys see the board?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Good.
Not even 10, you are saying yes.
You can definitely see the Jim. Okay, so this is about the flow of watching the video. So on the book it's called the stream video event. Okay, so this is just some notes about myself, but we're going to talking about here. It's like this flow is using a directional cyclic graphic algorithm here. Yeah, so this is an algorithm that's talking about. It's similar to a tree algorithm, but the difference is like the tree algorithm will have a mother node separate out to a son node, but the son node cannot go back to the other mother node like this one. Yeah, but the directional acyclic graphic can have two mother nodes connected to one son node, like this one. Yeah, and it has some direction. Yeah, and you cannot reverse it back. So this is called the acyclic. So this means that you cannot go back to the original like a cycle. Yeah, you can only go through here and cannot turn back. Okay, so this is the algorithm here. Okay, so the watching video event is calling this is because the user trying to request the video, and it will have several components and several nodes. The first one is a video, and the second one is audio, and the third one is metadata. Okay, and this one video component is containing the API and the CDN. Yeah, and also the thumbnails or some detailed information about that video. And the audio is separated. Okay, so while we are trying to access the information of the video, this is like the parallel programming. Yeah, the video do their parts and the audio do their parts. So the users can collect the data more efficiently. Yeah, so after you collect all the data, you collect all of the information. This will assemble here. Yeah, for the load balancer. And the load balancer, if they get a complete handle, the complete message, it will send to user, and the user can watch the video. Yeah. But this will watch the video for only one part, like 3 seconds to 5 seconds, or maybe longer, because this is a asynchronous event. Like you access to the one part of a video here. You can only get access to this kind of part here. Yeah, and they will do the job first, and after that, they will access to the second part here, third part here. Yeah, so this will complete the video. Yeah, so due to this event, we know that when we are trying to watch the YouTube video, they won't download all the video at the start. They will download small part and do their task, and keep doing this for the Wi-Fi speed, depend on your Wi-Fi speed. Yeah, so if your Wi-Fi is fast enough, you can download all the video more quickly. So that was the video streaming event here. Okay, so do anyone have any question here? That was more simple than the uploading a video.
That's about the graph. Like how is it applied to the diagram you just explained?
Oh, you mean the directional?
How is it? Yeah, how is the graph data structure applied to the diagram?
Oh,
you just explained.
I think this is the diagram of the DAG algorithm. Yeah, it's a DAG algorithm they call. Yeah, it's because this is one node. And this is first node, second node, and the third node, and they connected to the sun node here. Yeah, this is called sun node. So I think because it have some direction, so it will go through from above to bottom. Yeah, so this will most like a two parents node and compare with one son node. So that was more similar according to this picture.
You want metadata.
Yeah, but
What
yeah, that was
metadata
due to my
are the
understanding.
details
So
of the video. What kind of
yeah,
record have
do I explain you?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Because I just want to connect how they know that.
Okay, so that was the
audio
picture we are going to
coding is
introduce
here,
today.
video
So we'll go
coding
back
is
to the
here,
PDF
how
here.
they will structure the
Connect, okay.
like they were saying they are doing the encoding type. Audio video encoding.
Okay, and next time we are trying to talking about the encoding and the transcoding, the detail of it. Yeah, so I think today's part is almost finished. Okay.
They have separate section on.
Okay. Whenever you watch a video on YouTube, it usually starts streaming immediately. Okay. Yeah, this is what we're talking about. Okay. And this will have some file format here. Okay, the most popular video stream part is MPEG. MPEG is going for the Moving Picture Expert Group, and DASH stands for Dynamic Adaptive Streaming over HTTP. Okay. Okay, so the book also didn't tell a lot of detail. They say you don't have to remember all of this. Yeah, this is just for video encoding.
Unless we are going to Netflix.
Yeah. Oh, you won't go to Netflix?
I mean, unless.
Oh. Yeah, definitely.
And Netflix also using the same leverage on the AWS, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that was today's part. Next time, next week, I will going to keep going with the deep diving, design deep dive about the transcoding and the algorithm we are talking today, and also some other transcoding architect. Okay, and the DHE schedule and resource manager. Okay, and the task worker, and the temporary shortage, storage, and the encode video, and system optimization. There's still a lot need to introduce. Okay.
So this book they give the overview for the
Okay.
system design.
That was for today. Is anyone have any question here? Unraised folk.
Good job, Linus.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, I think I can speak more smooth if I keep practice. Yeah, today's part is like my English is not smooth enough, so it looks like I am not familiar with the content. But actually, I studied 3 times.
Don't
If
worry.
you want to cover chapter 16, you might
Really? No way. I will. Or maybe you can do my job and you go to NGP.